Atongoria matiganite ni mathiete na mbere gukirira thirikari kurumirira kuongerereka gwa ciiko cia ateti kuhuthira mbatuni cia nyanake kunyamaria ng'etheri ao magongona-ini matiganite. Umuthi mutongoria wa kiama kia United Green Movement David Maraga agikumithia ndeto ino. Akiaria nyumba-ini ya micemanio ya Jumuiya Limuru kaunti-ini ya Kiambu hindi ya kuhingura kigomano kia ahuraniri a iturwa ngurani kiama-ini kiu, Maraga augite bururi waya gwikora haceke angikoro mutugo ucio no uguthie na mbere.
If the government didn't want wounds, it would stamp it out in a day. It has the capacity to stamp it out in a day. But the press reports that we have show clearly that it is the government which is, or rather those in government, because of impunity, they know nobody can do anything to them, who are getting wounds.
Maraga ni akumithitie giiko kia muthenya wa ira kuria Governor James Orengo arahamurithirio mathiko-ini ma ithe wa mubunge wa Seme James Gikar, akiuga ni undu uri na thoni kuona thirikari ikoretwo ikihingira ciiko icio maitho.
Goons who can't allow Honorable Orengo to even mourn his friend's mother. And you know what they were chanting. Nothing was done. The police, I saw the police there standing by, almost helpless. We can't have a country run like that.
Ihinda-ini riu ni acakaite kuongerereka kwa ungumania makiria honge-ini citiganite cia thirikari, akirira Kenya ati muoroto wake kuingira uteti-ini ni kuhukia ndamathia ya ungumania.
Those of you who have been keen, if you want to recall, you can even get the clips of the president when he's being sworn. The first thing he's doing is holding the constitution and says, swears that he will uphold and defend the constitution. I will do that. That will mean that I will have to obey the law, including court orders that our superior courts give when the government has no further, has exhausted the appeal process.
Maraga athiete na mbere na gukinyiriria ati bururi wa Kenya ni ukoretwo na gatiba njega makiria, indi atongoria thirikari ni makaga kumikinyaniria.
Those in power want to amass as much as they can so that they are able to control anybody who they think should be controlled by use of money. And I dare say that is what has brought this country to where it is. Because those in power, both from both levels of government, want to amass as much as possible to buy out an opposition. And they are doing that with our resources.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma Jumuiya Limuru kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, ritwa riakwa ni Njau ya Kinothia.